Hello again, everybody, and welcome to this edition of Cogeco North Bay News, truly local television. I'm Greg Estabrooks. Well, for the second consecutive day, the North Bay Fire Department and its crews battled an early morning blaze, this time at a North Bay property, or once again a North Bay property. Friday morning, firefighters responded to Oman Memorial United Church on Mackenzie Avenue shortly after 4 a.m.
Actually, it was a passerby on the highway. As you know, the church is located next to a highway, and it was just somebody driving by happened to see the fire.
Was it engulfed in flames?
When we arrived, as you can imagine, Clark, when there's a fire in a church, there's a significant impact on the community. It's devastating to the members. And when we arrived on scene, there was a lot of fire. And you know what? Our guys knocked it down. They were awesome today. The church, it'll be repaired. The fire was stopped. It'll be repaired. The church had insurance, and it'll open again one day, and that's really cool.
Any cause determined?
No, the cause is still under investigation. There was nothing nefarious. But we'll have to do a complete investigation to completely determine what the cause of the fire was.
And how about damage total? Can you estimate how much money it'll cost to bring it back up to the condition it was before the fire started?
Really, I have no idea yet. The investigation is continuing, and the fire cost investigator will determine an approximate value.
Where was the fire contained to? It wasn't actually in the actual chapel, but it was in the offices?
Yeah, the fire was, the building is basically comprised of two separate wings, and one wing contains the offices, and the other wing contains the chapels. And thankfully, in this circumstance, the fire was on the office side.
And no one was hurt?
And nobody was hurt.